answer me.
In a head, Tikashi, Butukwa, because if you continue to shout like this, I will make sure Igwe gets those pictures. Ozubo.
AMUCHE, I'm sorry. Where did you get that picture?
Holy Ghost sent the pictures to me. God wants you to know that his eyes are upon you. Okunaga warawara. Anyanaga warawara na hwe. Ojena Mo showed me everything and gave me proof.
AMUCHE, please, I beg of you. I don't want my husband or my children to see that picture. Destroy it, please.
Yes. So, this kind of quiet, calm voice is inside you. So you can actually talk to somebody like human being. Okay?
AMUCHE, please. I'm begging you, please.
Don't touch me, ma. Your Highness.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got it power. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power. But I wonder whether not she did do.
Where is your daughter?
What happened?
King Ozemena called me and told me that he's not happy. He complained about the way your daughter is not doing things right. He said she's no more interested in marrying the young man any longer, the prince.
He said that to you?
He lodged in his unhappiness. Why is your daughter behaving like this? What is her problem?
Your Highness, please calm down. Let me fetch her immediately.
I can't fix this. This girl wants to ruin what I have labored for these several years.
Your Highness, she's here.
Masinachi.
You called me.
What is wrong with you? What happened? What is happening between you and King Ozemena's son, the prince? What is the problem?
Dad, he nags a lot. It's very annoying.
He nags a lot, is very annoying. But I told you to tolerate this young man, whatever, if you know what we stand to gain by you marrying the prince. I don't want us to lose this chance. It's an opportunity for us to have extra wealth.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'll try harder. I promise. But Dad, only on one condition. I do not understand what that thing at the gate is still doing here. Like, why is she still in this palace? Why hasn't she been sent out of this palace? Why? She must be sent out. I'm saying if you are serious about me settling down with the prince, she needs to leave at once.
Can you go and have your peace?
The environment is being monitored by Chief Security Officer of the palace.
Hey, come on! I said, shut up.
You've seriously grown some stupid things. Your audacity is smelling. What are you doing here? No, tell me, what are you doing here? If you dare, haven't I warned you before? Now I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
Masinachi.
I'm eating.
You are eating? No, as who? A destitute like you who belongs to the gutters is having a meal on the royal dining table. Tell me about it.
Masinachi, let her be.
What?
She is my choice. As a matter of fact, she is the future queen of this kingdom.
Ah!
She deserves to sit and eat with me.
Mother, your silence is deafening and it's making me sick. I need to know why you're not saying anything. Like, why would you sit here and watch this evil play out right before your face and you're not saying anything? What is going on? Nothing. Just that since your brother accepts her eating with us, I don't feel like fighting or chasing her all the time.
Masinachi,
so allow her to eat with us, please.
Masinachi, can you stop barking like a dog and eat your food before it gets cold?
Oh wow,
I don't like the way you talk these days. You begin to talk too much and I dislike it.
And I'm back like a dog. No, I'm the mad one. You just called me mad because of this thing. No, I'm the mad one. Because of this thing. I am the crazy one.
Masinachi, please.
You.
Masinachi. Sit down and
This one I get the woman away get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. I wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got the power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got the power. Which kind get the woman no be this yo? She got the power. AMUCHE, yeah, go and we fall for my. She got the power. Wahala day, so wood in no photo. AMUCHE, the magic where we know understand. I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been at the princess, the prince is already in love. AMUCHE get the woman, we no understand. Now waiting you do, yeah. This one I get the woman, we get the power. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got the power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got the power. But now which kind get the woman no be this yo? She got the power. AMUCHE, yeah, go and we fall for my. She got the power.
AMUCHE! AMUCHE! Where is that idiot? Where is she? How dare you? How dare you leave me waiting at the gate, honking for so long? I'm talking to you, AMUCHE. How dare you?
Princess, careful.
I'm talking to you.
Now me, they back for like that, like dog when no get you. Eh? So, they did not teach you that you have to greet somebody before you start to talk to the person. Your security intelligence officer. Somebody that is protecting the royal household. You are talking to me like that. No respect, no regard, no remorse.
Hold on a sec. Did I just hear you call me dog? You said I'm backing. Oh, I'm backing. You idiot, you bloody lowlife, left your post where you were supposed to be mounting, to be resting in this room, and I'm talking to you, and you are challenging my orders?
I know why you diverse. I'm an information, see. I know why you dey para, like snake with a pour hot water, let me tell you. It's a secret, I'm not supposed to say it, what I'll tell you. If you see what me and your brother do last night, hey, make it more. The way Princess was touching me. So, the touch was too much, that's why
Hey. I need you to get up right now, go back to your post where you're supposed to be, you lowlife.
I no go do am. That is not how they command an intelligent officer. If you want to talk to me with respect.
AMUCHE, I swear by the gods, do not make me lose it. I don't want to repeat myself anymore. Get up, go back to your posts.
Makagine ememe, what will happen? Intelligence officer KG. Wait back.
He pushed me.
If you come close, a man like you, Makachi, my pass.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh!
Onye bukwala no nwanne ya. Chena security bu guy name. No the training nga. E ma eba ma we zoom. Ta so na airport.
It is obvious that that girl at the palace gate is using charm on our king.
Alo, why did you say this? No.
Do you know, I spoke to the king about removing that girl from the palace. He vehemently refused.
Meaning he's afraid of her, or what? Did you tell Igwe how she insulted us and refused us entrance into the palace?
It's actually what I told him first. But he said it is forgivable. The Agunze that I know will not only have that girl thrown out, but punish her accordingly.
Yes. Yes. I think that's what should happen.
You see why I said the king is under a spell and we must consult the Ezemo immediately?
I think so too. That's what we should do. Ezemo should come inside this. Ezemo should come inside this. There's no way Ezemo will not come inside.
So what I'm saying is that I need that idiot at the gate to leave this palace right now. Yes, I mean that idiot at the gate. She has to leave.
Calm down, calm down.
No.
What happened?
Mother, can you imagine? That idiot, I mean that cursed child, that gutter gate whatever, had the nerves to lay her filthy hands on me. I mean, she pushed me down.
She pushed you down. Why? What did you do?
What did I do? Okay, I came back, met the gate locked. I was honking. No answer. Yes. Tell me why she will leave her post.
You must have provoked her to anger before she pushed you down. Huh? Why do you bother disturbing this girl?
She was busy sleeping on Obina's bed. And tell me, is Obina's bed her post? Is that where she's supposed to mount? No, tell me what that idiot is doing on Obina's bed. Oh my God. Why am I even explaining myself in the first place? Because the both of you look so hypnotized. Like, yes.
What actually is your problem? Is there anything difficult in you opening the gate and coming in and locking the gate back? She may be very, very busy.
This is the truth, man. This is the truth. It's crazy.
Like I said, I am still your king. And listen, with God. We are all humans. Please, I want to have my peace now.
You're making me explain over nonsense because of that cursed child. Mother, what has come over you? You're not talking.
See, Masinachi, there is no need of disturbing that girl. Give her some space. We can't be quarreling all the time.
I am disturbing a low life. I am disturbing our employee. I am disturbing a supposed gate woman. I'm disturbing a cursed child.
My daughter, I would like you to get this straight to your skull. They are all humans. Please, I need my peace now.
Our great king, Agunze, is not and was never under any kind of spell.
Ezemo, I find it very hard to believe. If he's not under any spell, then what is happening to him? Why does he seem to be doing the bidding of a commoner in the palace?
It's him that knows the reason why he's doing what he's doing. I tell you once again, he's not under any kind of spell.
Tell me, Madam, is there something that I should know that I don't know?
Like what? I don't understand.
The girl at the gate. All of a sudden, you are so friendly with her. What changed?
She's not my friend though, and will never be. Never.
I know you know what I'm talking about. You don't pick holes with her problems any longer. Whatever she does is right. And I'm curious to know what really happened, what changed your concept of her.
Really? You no longer pick holes on her method. What changed? I'm asking you, what changed?
But I asked the question first.
You answer it.
You answer me.
Please, I don't have time for this. I'm going out to talk later.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. Joy, this get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see her.
I was just coming from the shrine. I met Yezemo. And to my greatest surprise, he told me that the king is not under any form of spell.
Including my son?
Of course. I was confused. And I was just wondering what made the Igwe change suddenly.
Well, no. That idiot at the gate has something on us. Yes. She has been following us around, or she has someone watching us. Hold on. She showed me this.
What? How did she get this?
That is the question she refused to answer.
Then we must destroy her immediately.
It's not that easy.
Of course it's easy.
She said she's not the only one in possession of this, in case if something happens to her.
My God. Then we are screwed.
My king, I was beginning to worry that you will not request for me or send for me again.
Start talking. Stay where you are. I just want to ask you something. I want the truth and nothing but the truth.
What is it, my king?
Are you working for that bastard at the gate?
My king, I am not working for anybody in this palace but you. I swear.
Do not ask my patience, because you can't stand the fire.
My king, I swear to you, I work for you alone.
For often time. Are you working for that bastard at the gate? Talk to me now.
I swear by the gods, I don't work for anybody but you. I swear.
Then how come? Look at this. Hold on. How come this picture? How come this?
What? How is this? How was this picture?
Are you asking me to ask who? Tell me the truth or I will skin you alive.
My king, I swear to you, I will never betray you. I don't know how this picture came about. I swear.
Are you telling me the truth? You don't know how this is talking about?
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. This get the woman. She no be red. She got it power.
How dare you? How dare you? Huh? Look, listen to me. I don't know how you got the picture of me and the king, but I want you to get those pictures wherever you stash them. Do you understand me? Do you get me?
So, I should trash the pictures because you say so?
Yes.
You are mad though. Who are you to command me?
You will do so because I said so. What is wrong with you? Why would you take such picture in the first place? Are you not scared of the king? Are you not scared of the king's wrath?
Shut up there. So you're not afraid of the queen? See, it's even the impetus, the gra for me, the ingapacity for me. After committing adultery, immorality, you have the impetus to walk up to the chief security officer of the royal household. When they team Munisi in Romania, But what were the meeting? Oh, it's only the king you are concerned about. You are not even concerned about what the queen will do when she finds out Ni Jegoni here. You are not bothered. You are here running your mouth like tap without control.
You better not tell the queen. You dare not tell the queen anything. Okay?
See, let me tell you, because of the king, it's not because of you, because boy. If not for king's sake, I would have shown queen the pictures and watch her burn you alive. You would die, pee. Then you will understand that what you're doing is not good. Idiot. Okay, get out of my voice.
I have told you.
See.
If you try it,
I don't know why you're doing puff girl, because you've tested king something. No regard for chief security of this. See,
don't try it. Respect yourself.
Okay, get out.
Get out of this. If you try nonsense in this palace, me and you will fight in this compound. Better destroy those pictures. Nonsense.
If I were you, I would have hidden my face in one big box. Catch on. Akuna retire go there resume on a palace. Chief security officer na ekwu idiot. Ije we go ni hiwe. Taro mi eta mo. Papa lesa.
My love, you don't look happy. What is it?
It's nothing.
Come on. You know you can always count on me to tell me what is the problem.
Sweetheart, it's my house. I mean, the palace. The palace looks so unrecognizable. Like, a lot is going on right now. It's as if my parents and my brother are under some sort of spell. You know? Like, I'm so confused. I don't even understand what is happening anymore.
Hey, just calm down. Take a chill pill. What are you talking about?
Listen, I don't want to ever go back to that house, that palace anymore. I want to just move in with you. Everybody there annoys the hell out of me.
Hey, you can run away from your family. You need them and they need you. What are you? Hey, stop. Come here. It's going to be better when you smile. Right?
I know, and that's why I'm here.
Come here.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, you're going to be fine.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy, this get the woman no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got the power. How come on I go keep her that royalty?
This place needs to be clean. Queen. The place is very dusty and dirty. It needs to be cleaned.
Oh, really? Let me call the maids to do it.
No, it's not maid matter. You can do it now. You can, my queen.
Me?
Yes, you. Ha. How can you just sit? You are not doing anything. It's not good for you. At least use it as exercise. Clean, mop. If you still have power, you can wash plates and other things. The flower needs to be cut too.
I'm sorry, I can't.
You can't?
No, I can't do that.
If I show you some pictures, everywhere they are on fire. Will you clean it?
It's okay, I will clean. I will do it.
You are ready to keep the palace clean?
Yes.
Very clean.
I will do it.
Nice one, I'll be upstairs.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy, this get the woman no, she no be regular. She got the power. I mean you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king.
My king, I heard it from Ezemo himself. You are not under any spell. Not you or anybody for that matter.
I never asked you to go to Ezemo for anything, did I?
My king, I had to. I and the kingmakers went there just to ascertain whether you are under any form of spell to make you do everything that girl asks you to do. All her biddings. But to our greatest surprise, we were told that you were not under any spell. And I want to ask my king, why do you always obey her?
Oh no. Honestly, I really want to get rid of that girl from my palace. How can you help me do that?
Igwe, you are the king. You can actually sack her if you want to.
Oh no, it is not as simple as you think. I need a plausible reason to sack her. So that it will not look, I am being wicked, sacking a girl that did nothing to me. Just provide me a plausible reason, and I'll sack her this moment.
Okay, my king, I just want out of the palace.
Oh no.
My king.
My blood is hot. I need to pin up. I want to have some fun.
Pinokwa.
My body is filled. My blood is hot. Just understand.
She gets it power. Which kind get it woman no be this yo? She gets it power. AMUCHE, yeah, go on we fall for my. She gets it power. Wahala day, so good in no photo. AMUCHE they do magic where we no understand yo. I been a juju, I been a just yo. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been a
Mother, what's the meaning of this? Are you alright?
I'm perfectly fine. I'm alright.
Mother, you're alright. So what then are you doing with a mopping can, and why are you cleaning the chairs?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm cleaning. Moreover, the maids, they don't do it well, so I decided to do it myself. And it's part of exercise. As I was told.
Mother, I'm not comfortable about this. We have so many medians in this palace that can actually do this job. In fact, that is assigned to clean the palace. So why my mother, the queen, cleaning?
But your woman is okay with it. And I'm not complaining, am I?
My woman? You mean AMUCHE?
Who else?
I don't like this.
And I'm not complaining.
this one I get the woman no way get it. She get it power. Joy, this get the woman no she no be regular. She get it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She get it power. She carry power even to control the king. Yeah. She get it power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do. She get it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She get it power. But which kind get the woman no be this yo? She get it power.
AMUCHE, what's going on? I mean, what is wrong with you? What is happening? Why would you ask my mother, the queen of this kingdom, to clean the house? Why?
She never complained. Moreover, all she does is sit at home and enjoy the title of queen. It's no good now. A woman is not supposed to be lazy. And come to think of it, it's not also good for her health. Makonanka. Okawakita arthritis, lazy people will start happening to her. That is why I want her to be fit and agile. Only make to exercise. I use it as an exercise for her. Only for now.
AMUCHE, that's my mother. Your future mother-in-law that you let humiliate herself, doing a job of a maid. I want to ask you, what do you have on my mother that made her believe you without even questioning it?
I have nothing on her. It's just that she knows I'm telling her the truth. I know when you're saying the truth, everybody cooperates.
I don't like this. I don't like it! And I don't want this to ever repeat itself again in this palace. Do I make myself clear?
Love. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ love ekụọ m ya maka chi mụ na ga-apịrị ya maka Chukwu ma abasị.
How are you, Prince Chuka?
I am fine, my king.
And your parents?
They are fine, and they send their regards to you.
Good.
My king,
yes.
I am here for my marriage proposal to your beautiful daughter here.
Good.
She met my parents, and they liked her.
Wow.
So I'm here to seek your consent.
That's good. That's beautiful.
And also, my king, we've agreed on the 4th night for the ceremony.
Wow.
Yes.
Masinachi, what is your take to this?
But if it makes you happy, then I'm down.
I speak, that is stupid. And you? I say.
Good to go then.
Good. That's good. That's good. I have this belief that this union, this marriage is going to be very blissful and bring tranquility, peace for both families. The blessings will be much.
Yes, my king.
You think so too?
I believe so, and we will do our best in making your daughter the happiest lady on earth.
AMUCHE, I brought you your food. I brought you your food.
Nne, open that food, eh? Test it. Eat 1 spoon.
Wait, I don't get. I brought you your lunch, so eat it.
You think I don't know you people's plan? It's me, AMUCHE, a G like me. Do you know what it takes to be into this security work? I can't see myself. It is me you were putting poison inside the food and you are expecting me to eat it. Nne, it be late. Oh?
Wait, I don't understand you. Are you trying to tell me that I poisoned your food?
If you did not poison it, eat it. Eat it, test it now. Just take a spoon and eat, then I'll eat the rest.
You know what? This will be the first and last time I'm ever serving food in this palace.
You
will never eat my food again.
Get out.
You to get out.
Get out, idiot. It's me you people are using small charm to destroy. You think you can destroy me? Idiot. I'm prepared for you people in this palace. Thank God, ejigom bread. I've rescued my stomach with bread. Don't need your poisoned food. Eat it now, Pia. If ever I made your burial, eat that food. You will die one way.
This one I get it, woman, no way get it. She got it.
Look, listen, I'm not in the mood to talk to anybody. I don't want to talk to anybody at all. I just want to be left alone. Can I?
Well, you are right. Yes, you are right. I mean, something is not just right. Mom and dad have not been themselves lately.
Same with you. You are not yourself as well.
You think so?
Yeah, tell me how you are yourself. And you want to go and choose that manipulative bastard at the gate as your wife. Make it make sense, bro.
I'm myself. I'm suspecting that she's using charm on Mom. I mean, I got back and I saw Mom cleaning the living room.
What? Wait a minute. You saw Mom cleaning the living room?
I swear to God, I was shocked. Huh? I mean, I haven't seen that happen before. And Mom told me that she's fine, there's nothing wrong with her. I mean, how? How is that even possible?
Oh my God. Now that you are back to your senses, moving forward, what next?
This getting woman, no, she no be regular. She got it power.
My prince. My prince. My prince, what is the problem? It's like you're avoiding me. Eh? You don't want to talk to me again. Why now?
I have somewhere very important that I'm heading to. So when I'm back, we can talk about it. Please go get to the gate.
So you don't want to talk to me? Or the marketer? My prince.
What's the problem? I said I'm heading out. Please go open the gate.
So wood in Novodo. AMUCHE, they do magic where we no understand. I been a juju. I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah. Joy, if she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been a the princess. The prince is already in love. AMUCHE get the woman. We no understand. Now waiting you do. Yeah. This one I get the woman. We get the she got the power. Joy. This get the woman. No, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power.
Wait, my prince. Are you suspecting she's using charm?
My friend, I'm not just suspecting, but it's the fact that she's using charm on my parents. I mean, what else could she possibly use to the extent that this girl have the guts, the nerve to command my mother, the queen of this kingdom, to clean the house, and she would gladly do it without even questioning it.
My prince, you just have to end things with her completely. There's no point. You just have to end it with her completely.
Exactly my point. I would love to do it, but then I love this girl so much. She's everything and more than I've ever wanted in a woman. My heart is shattered. I'm disappointed that she decided to be this way. I never saw it coming.
My prince, you just have to relax, okay? You really have to relax.
I'm just wondering, why would she want to use charm on my parents when I have promised her that I'm going to marry her? So what's the need of the charm? To provoke me? Or what exactly?
My prince, you know for sure she's not capable to be your queen. So probably she's scared and she wants to make her security easy for you.
Why would she be scared? That's the point. Why would she be scared when I've assured her and reassured her that I want to spend the rest of my life with her? I mean, this is a lady that I love. Which other way am I supposed to prove my love to her? I've made a promise which I intend to keep. I'm just so annoyed. I'm disappointed.
My prince, you just have to relax, okay? You have to relax. But what will you do now?
I'll just drink and get myself high so I can forget about this girl. She's making me go insane.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy, this get the woman. No, she no be
Odogu looking like $1,000,000.
You sent for me.
Yes, I want you to take these clothes and wash them thoroughly for me.
What? I should do what?
You heard me, my queen.
But we have the laundry man that can do that for you.
I don't want the laundry man, I want you to do it. Moreover, you don't like doing anything. You like laziness, maybe no obesity. Okay, you don't want.
Bring it.
Please wash it very well, oh. Make sure it's thoroughly washed because these are the clothes I wear when I'm not on my chief security officer costume.
holiday. So would in Novodo. AMUCHE they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go ahead. If she
Are you still mad at me? We are sorry now. What's going to be sorry? I'm sorry.
You're sorry. What are you sorry for? Listen, AMUCHE, I'm going to say this and I'm going to say it once, so I will need you to pay attention. Right? I'm not happy over how you treated my mother, the queen. What give you the guts? You see, this whole relationship thing, I think is based on lies and distrust. For you to have opted for the charm, I mean, what were you thinking?
Prince, I'm sorry. Charm, you don't understand. I'm sorry, please now. I'm sorry.
I don't want to hear anything you have to say. I want you to go upstairs. Pack every single thing that belongs to you. You're leaving this palace today.
Hey, Prince Butu now. I'm sorry, please now. Please.
I believe you heard me clearly.
You can't do this.
I want
And
you to
he
go
just
into my...
did. He just did exactly that. Listen to me. You're leaving this palace permanently this period. Yes, you are leaving this palace. Bro, come, let's go get her things off your room immediately.
Baby, please now.
Please, just... Jesus.
Prince, please now. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen. If I saw see me back, she's my bride, the chosen one.
Ozioma,
Yes, my king.
you said you want to tell me something. What is it?
Yes, my king, if you may allow me to speak freely.
But let me just say this straight. I want you to understand that what we had together before was a mistake that will never happen again.
I do understand, my king, but that is not what I want to tell you. It's about the queen.
What about the queen?
I think AMUCHE has something on the queen.
Like what?
My king, you can't imagine that I saw the queen washing AMUCHE's clothes and cleaning the whole palace. I saw her with my own eyes, my king.
Are you serious about what you've just said?
My king, I am dead serious. I know what I saw. I know what I saw.
My princess, I hope you got the pleasant pre-wedding gift I sent to your WhatsApp. Okay, like it?
How dare you?
Don't shout too much. No try go holler at me. Because if you do it, I will make sure Prince Choka gets those pictures before he wakes up.
No, you can't do that, you know.
You are trying me. They know they try security officer. You are trying me. Why won't I do it? After all, you don't love him now. Do you want to marry him?
Do you know sending those pictures to him could get him to cancel my marriage?
Make a cancel and be better. You know Kuku they interested. You don't want to marry him. Do you love him?
I'm doing it for my father.
Yeah. I'm sure by the time he cancels it, your father will be very proud of you.
You know I have zero tolerance to lies. I want you, don't ever tell me lies. What is it?
What are you talking about? I don't understand what you are referring to.
Why are you watching clothes for that ghetto woman? Why? What is it that she's holding on you?
Me? Washing clothes for who? For her?
Do not try to deny this because I got my information from a reliable source.
Oh.
Not just washing her clothes, you were also seeing cleaning the house, the queen of this kingdom.
Well, tell whoever that passed the nonsense information to you that I was only doing it to keep fit.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
We liars loudest lying to ourselves. Oh, you are cleaning the house and watching her clothes just for the fun of it. Really?
Really?
My queen. It's now becoming too obvious.
Your Highness, I need to see you ASAP.
I'll be right back.
Hey! Hold on. She barged in here, command you to come out and see her ASAP. And here you are, running out to meet her. Igwe, what does she have on you?
My queen, do not think that you're smart. I am not done with this discussion. I'll be right back.
Please do.
But I told you. I begged you. I told you whenever I am with someone, especially members of my family, my wife, or even the elders, please, don't call me out.
Your Majesty, permit me to remind you that you do not have the right to tell me when to call you and when not to call you. As the Chief Security Officer of the palace, the most intelligent officer, I have the right to call you, sir.
What do you want?
I want Ozioma out of the palace.
How?
Yes, she tried to kill me. I don't want her anywhere around this palace.
I don't understand. How? When? What occasion?
You need to send her packing, Your Majesty. Permit me to return to my duty post. When I mean she needs to leave, now. Right now, Your Majesty. Permit me to fall out.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got the power. This get the woman.
What do you want? I'm talking to you. What exactly do you want? Because I know cheap blackmailers like yours. I always wanting one or two things. So which of them do you want right now?
Now, why are you talking to me?
I am talking to you. Name your price. Whatever it is you want, you say it now. My friend, what do you want?
I want nothing.
There must be something you want. So I just need you to name it. Cheat people, poor people, this is how you behave. You try to betray, blackmail. Yeah, so what do you want exactly? Say it.
Princess. First of all, you do not have the moral right, the impetus to speak to the chief security officer of the royal household in such manner. Alo. Secondly, Zuzuru Siebapo, get out of my sight. Yes, you heard me. What?
Okay, it's fine. I know I've been unfair to you in the past. Yeah, it wasn't intentional, you know. But girl to girl, those videos, I mean the pictures, they shouldn't get to my fiance, you know, or my father. It's going to ruin my marriage. It's going to scatter our family. Do you want that for your fellow girl? Now I'm talking to you as a fellow girl, you know. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted. You can go.
AMUCHE, listen. I need you to delete those, whatever you have on your phone right now.
It's like the kid that acquired on you. If I hear them from your mouth again, I will make sure the Prince of Ebenator Kingdom gets those pornographic of you and your boyfriend. Please go.
I'm sorry.
You can go. Go now. I deserve my peace.
Okay.
As security, I be a no-key person.
AMUCHE, they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jazz.
Oh my king, I can't wait. That's good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a one. I like that. Thank you so much. So excited. Are you for real? Masinachi, I can't believe it. The apple of his father's eyes. My daughter. Your father is very, very happy today.
Father, I hope all is well.
All is well. You are just a blessing to me, to my family, to the general people. You won't believe it. I just got off the phone right now. King of Ebenator, Igwe Ozemena, awarded me a contract, a multi-million naira contract.
Oh, wow.
Just as a sign for you accepting to marry his son, the prince. Just that. He told me that the prince loves you so much. And he's ready to do more and more and more and more. My daughter, you're a blessing. Daddy is happy.
Congratulations, Father.
Such a huge win.
Huge win. Indeed.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power. Even to
AMUCHE, you did this to me, right? You did this.
I did what to you? Okay, if I'm Meg now, you are the one lapped away. I did not do anything.
Look, I heard everything you told the king. I heard everything you said to the king.
Did I lie? No, tell me, what is one thing that I say to His Royal Majesty that is a lie? In fact, you want to poison me, the chief security of the royal household. Poison. And you still have the guts impetus to get out of the palace.
All you do is to cause trouble everywhere in this palace. But trust me, you will regret this.
Are you not regretting your life?
You will regret it.
At least I'm causing trouble. I'm not sleeping with somebody's husband. And I'm not trying to commit murder. Like you. Are you not regretting it? Oh yeah?
Someone said that meets me now.
Onye
outside
mmeri
and meet me.
abịagokwa
Don't
kọrọ.
even touch me.
Onye mmeri ka Chineke mbụ. Ọkwa iko kwakọrọ laba. Onye mmeri abịagokwa.
Don't touch me.
Nsobudi n'obodo AMUCHE dey do magic wey we no understand abi na juju abi na jase na that one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, if she call on the king, he go answer. Abi na the princess, the prince is already in love. AMUCHE get the woman, we no understand. Now waiting you do.
We are going to throw her out first thing tomorrow morning.
Who?
Who else if not that bastard at the gate? I mean, she have the guts to charm our parents. She's going to leave this palace first thing tomorrow morning.
Bro, no. You don't have to be picking decision, okay? You have to slow down. Even if she's going to go, obviously not now.
What are you talking about, sister?
We need to get full evidence. I mean, enough evidence before we kick her out.
What full evidence are you talking about? I mean, don't you see what she did to our parents? I think the best thing to do is even to have her arrested.
No, bro, listen. Yes, first, if we must arrest her or throw her out, we need to be sure she's the one that put the spell on our parents. So we can know the actual charm she used on them, neutralize it, and then kick her out. Yeah.
Masunaji, what happened? I mean, because I'm not understanding you anymore. Why the sudden... Oh, she got you too?
Call me? Obviously no. I'm 120% still very okay. Yeah, she hasn't gotten me yet. All I'm saying is, let's not be in a haste to make mistake. There's trouble.
You said that before, but I asked you to take things easy with your people. So what is it?
Apparently, someone has been monitoring us, okay? All our phone, the sex, everything. The person has been capturing it and a picture was sent to me.
What? Sent a picture to you?
Yes. The person has been recording all our moments, all our escapades.
Who the hell have the guts to do that to a princess? But this shouldn't be taken lightly.
It has gotten out of hand and at this point, I think we have to stop seeing it.
Don't tell me you're quitting our relationship after all we shared.
No. I told you earlier that I have someone, a prince, right?
Yes, you said that. And I also remembered you told me you never liked him.
I lied. I was cheating on him with you.
Oh, babe, please don't do this. I don't know what you're insinuating. I don't know where you're driving at, but please don't do this. I love you genuinely and I believe you do same. But if it's what I'm thinking, please don't do it.
You will not understand. I'm sorry, we just have to stop seeing.
This is not happening. Please don't do this. I beg you, please don't do this.
Please. I need to go. I need to go. Sweetheart, what is it? You've been moody since we came back. What happened? Nothing. You know that's not fair. Look, Mom, I'm going through emotional stuff right now. I just need the time alone. Maybe I should be in my room. I need you to help me get rid of that girl at the gate. It's very simple. Just tell her to leave. You know your father won't support that. Then let it be. Oh, hold on. Are you the one saying this?
I thought you wanted her gone.
Oh, Mom, listen, I told you my head is full. I need to think. I'm not in that mood. Please. Please.
What is it that you can't come into the palace to tell me?
You know the king is around and...
And what? What is it?
My queen, it's been more than a week now since we last had them. You know what I mean. I can arrange for a place. That is if you need to go ahead today.
A place for what?
My queen, don't you miss me?
What is the matter with you? I'm asking, what is the matter with you? I told you that we have been discovered by that idiot at the gate. And you are here telling me about good time?
Well, my queen, that little idiot should not coerce you into fear and restraint. Why are you talking like this? You are the queen of this land. And she should be scared of you, not the other way around.
Obviously, you are out of your mind. No, you are out of your mind. But listen, if you want us to have good time, you see that thing at the gate, at the palace gate, get rid of her. Get rid of her out of the palace, if possible, out of this world.
I don't like this channel, let me change it.
Let's watch football.
No. African Magic Epic. Hey! Jesus! Hope we are doing.
Yes.
Igwe, are you crying? Because I don't understand. Let's watch film now. I don't understand this thing you are doing, Igwe, because...
I'm watching.
No, you are not. You are not. Because after this film, I will ask you questions. And if you don't get it, man like Igwe.
What did you just say?
I said I will ask you questions now. We are watching to learn. And when you're not paying attention, I don't know how you learn.
Hey.
Are you okay? Igwe,
huh?
you are sounding as if you're not happy that
I'm happy.
I'm chilling with you now.
I'm very happy. Yeah, that's a wonderful film.
Look at him, baby, enjoy. You paid attention. Hi, that woman, though. Hi! Hi. You're doing Igwe.
Oh! What is the meaning of this? My family get up from there!
My queen in Abamba. Are you angry? Are you shouting? I know you as a soft-spoken woman. I don't know you
may continue.
Ay, Jesus! Ay, that woman, Onike. Oh my God, Igwe, are you seeing it?
Yeah, nice movie.
Your Highness, I would like to have a word with you.
No, you cannot, my queen. When you walked in here, you saw me and His Royal Majesty watching film. Leisure time. Later, you can talk to him, not now, oh? He's keeping me company. You cannot have a word with him. Later.
Yeah, she's right.
We are watching film. Igwe, no.
Yeah, I will join you very soon.
Igwe.
It's a wonderful
Igwe, that woman.
Exactly. The one on black card.
That woman is very...
My queen, I will join you very soon.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power even to control the king.
I called this meeting to let you all know that I am officially cancelling my marriage with AMUCHE.
What? Obina, why now?
But you said you loved her. Yeah, that was me to say. You loved her so much.
In my honest opinion, I don't think she's not bad for you. She's not bad at all. You know?
You know, I don't know what is wrong with you all. I don't understand you all.
But I don't care. I mean, you guys can choose to remain under her spell as long as you want. But one thing that I know for sure is that I'm not interested in this marriage and I am done.
Obinna, you better be interested. Obinna, please come back. Let's discuss this. That girl is a good girl. Yes.
My guy, the worst has happened. Do you know this girl has practically used charm in every member of my family? I mean, each and every one of them is under her charm. The worst part of it is that nobody sees anything wrong in her acts. They no longer want her to leave. All of a sudden.
Her charms must be very strong. What do we do now?
What I'm going to do? Listen, I'm probably going to chase that girl out of the palace. I'm just waiting for the right moment to do the needful. Oh, I so much hate that girl now with passion. I hate her so much.
My prince, she's very wicked, I must say. You have to make a better choice next time when choosing a bride.
Chima, she is a devil. I mean a devil incarnate. I regret ever meeting her.
Ezemo, I need her dead. Do whatever you can to kill her for me. She has proven herself a huge threat to my happiness. I want her dead.
Need I remind you, Ono, that you're a titled man and a hand of a king. You cannot soil your hand with blood. Otherwise, there will be consequences.
I do not care about the consequences. I want her dead. Kill her.
Well, I cannot do that. It is an abomination for me to do that to a titled man like you.
Are you not hearing me hungry? Go and open the gate. Excuse you, like you want... What did you just say? A whole princess to go and open the gate?
Princess Makachi, if I mistakenly open that gate by myself, you don't like the consequences. No, let me go and open it.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll go.
Check who is at the gate. A one.
Woo. Okay. My boyfriend. Okay. You want the permission? Okay, it's okay. Here.
Oh, what's up now?
Welcome.
How come you're the one opening the gate when the gate woman is around?
Can't you see she's eating? So I didn't want her to open. She wanted to though. Just my way of showing love and humility.
Babe, you know you're so sweet, right?
I know.
So how are you?
Very well. What about you?
I had a very bad day, but so now I'm seeing you now. I'm happy.
You need to cheer up.
This one I get the woman no way get the she got the power. Joy, this get the woman no she no be rego. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I wonder whether not juju she dey do.
Princess! Princess! I hope the gate is properly locked though.
Bina, I really do not know what came over me. I promise you, I wouldn't let her control me again.
I'm disappointed to believe that you would let her control you all of a sudden. Why would you fall for her charm so easily? Her masinachi.
But I'm just telling you right now, here, right now, it won't happen again. Believe me.
Since the charm is clear in your eyes, we are going to find a way, okay? To take our parents out of this. I mean, to relieve them out of her charms. I hope you're with me on this.
Princess, fetch me water. Go downstairs and fetch me water. You want water?
Yes, the one I wanted to use inside the bedroom. Perceiving that I don't like it, so put one sachet water inside and bring it.
Masinachi, are you going to do what she asked you?
Obina, she just said she wants me to help her get water. Bro, come on, it's just water. She needs help. Let me just help her get it.
So you're the helper?
It's not that deep, it's just water.
Princess, time is going. Water.
My queen, I am the king and your husband. I demand an explanation from you. What is going on?
What explanation exactly, if I may ask? See, Igwe, you have a skeleton in your cupboard and you are asking me to open mine. Why not open that your cupboard? Let's see what's inside. Because I know that girl is not using any spell on you.
Honestly, my queen, I am suspecting you. Seriously.
Same here. I'm suspecting you as well. Yeah. Please, let me be bigger.
We are beginning to rub shoulders of equality, Abi. We are beginning to rub shoulders.
If we go up, Marker, please. I'm not in the mood for that.
No way, I can't continue like this. No! How can I be taking orders from a nobody in my own father's house? The shame and disgrace have become too much for me already. I can't condone anymore. I have to do something and do it fast. That idiot will not continue controlling me and everybody in this palace. I have to put a stop to this.
Can I have your account details?
Your Majesty, for what?
2 million naira.
You are offering me money. For what, Your Majesty? Ebumago. What have I done?
Maybe the 2 million is too small. Don't worry. I'll make it 5 million naira.
Your Majesty, my question is for what? Why do you want to give me such an amount of money?
I want you to stop anything about those pictures. Wherever those pictures are, do all humanly possible to delete it from the source. As regards to my wife, I want you to tell me, what is it between you and my wife?
Well, Your Majesty, I've heard you. As the Chief Security Officer of the Royal Household, I don't take bribe. That is number 1. Number 2, Your Majesty, is that you can keep your check. I have heard you. Keep your money. I have heard you. Keep your transfer, sir. I have heard you, Your Majesty.
20 million naira.
Even 50 million naira, mba.
This one,
Igwe. Lolo, I want to tell you people something. I have told all the people with all the pictures and videos I have that if anything happens to me, they should use those pictures and videos as souvenir on my burial day. It's just information I'm giving you people. Whoever that is planning to kill me, to conceal information,
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand. You have provoked me. You people want to assassinate me because of what you think I know. AMUCHE, you think you can kill me like that? Like that. You can't. Your Highness, you can't kill me now.
I'm as confused as confusion itself. I don't understand.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You are confused. Your wife is confused. No, you too, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, let me take it that you people don't understand what I'm saying. But all I'm